So as here you can see, this is the exercise 10.3 और 10.3 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 दैट वी ऑलरेडी डिड, दैट ड्रॉ द डिफरेंट पेयर ऑफ अ सर्कल, जिसमें हमने सर्कल्स बनाए थे अलग अलग तरह के, 2 सर्कल्स विच आर नॉट इंटरसेक्टिंग, 2 सर्कल आर टचिंग ईच अदर एट 1 point and 2 सर्कल आर टचिंग ईच अदर एट 2 points, and then we have to give the answer how many points does each pair have common. So there we have given the answer that both having 2 common points maximum, and minimum 0 we can write over there. So that question we already did, and here for this exercise here we will begin the question number 2 as well as question number 3 as well as theorem 10.6 and theorem 10.7. So here we will begin our question as well as these equal chords of their distance from the center के बारे में हम बात करेंगे, that you will see in the video. As here you can see that here we are solving question number 2 of exercise 10.3. So our question is like that: suppose you are given a circle, give a construction to find its center. यानी हमें ऐसा सर्कल दिया गया है जिसका सेंटर ही नहीं है, तो the student will ask that how we can draw the circle without center. So here you have to draw by taking any circular shape like bangle. If you are using bangle and if you are drawing that circle, so you have to draw that circle without center. Then we have to find the center of the circle, यानी center of the circle हमें ढूंढना है. So how we will do? So here we will take 3 points. Here let me take one point as A, let me take another point as B, and third point C on the circle. So after taking all these points, first what I will do, I will join it. What I will join it? So here I will join AB first. If I am joining AB and if I am finding perpendicular bisector of it, so how it will look? Let me draw it perfectly. If we are joining AB, so if I am joining AB and we are doing perpendicular bisector, so now you will ask that what is perpendicular bisector? So if I am keeping my rounded tip on A and I will take measurement of more than half, यानी ये हाफ है तो इससे ज़्यादा अगर मैं मेजरमेंट लूँगी, and if I am making cut somewhere over here by taking center as A and if I am taking cut over here, यही सेम प्रोसेस मैं B के साथ करूँगी. If I am taking that same measurement, I will cut that point and I will cut that point over here. So how it will look? So if I am taking center point as A and if I make cut over here and the same cut by taking center as A, it will look like this. ठीक है. Now after getting this, if I am taking center point as B and if I am making cut over here, so how it will look like? So it will look like somewhere. So it will look like this. Let me take center as A. So it will look like this, and center as B. So it will look like this. Now I have to pass one line through it. So let me draw the line. You also have to draw the line passing through both of these. तो अगर हम यहाँ से लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे वो कैसे दिखेगी? So it will look like this. Let me adjust it. So it will look like this. One straight line we have to pass. Now the same process we have to do it again, means we have to join that BC. अगर हम BC को join कर रहे हैं, and if I am taking center point as B and I am drawing one cut over here and one cut somewhere over here, then I will keep my tip of rounder over here and by pencil I will make cut somewhere over here and somewhere down. We will make 2 axes. यहाँ पे 2 x बन जाएंगे, उसमें से हमें लाइन पास करनी है. So if I am making cut over here, it will look like this, and if I am taking C, it will look like this, and we have to pass one line through it. तो अगर हम यहाँ से लाइन पास करेंगे वो इस तरह से दिखना शुरू हो जाएगी. Now whatever line we have drawn, we will give it name as line M and line L. And here the amazing thing is that whatever we found in a somewhere over here, that is our center of the circle. So here by taking AC also you can also find, and we will give it name as O. I hope this concept is clear to you, that by joining AB, by taking center as A, we will make 2 cut. By taking center point as B, we will make 2 cut, and then we will join that line and give it name as line M. Then we will join this BC Then we are joining these BC and taking center point as D, and we are making cut over here and making cut over here, as well as we will take center point at C and we will make cut over here as well as over here. Then one line if we are drawing somewhere over here, indirectly we are getting one center, and that is our center of the circle. This is how we can find the center of the circle of any circle which having no circle. So as here you can see, this is the exercise 10.3 which having question in this form. So question is in this form that if two circles intersect at 2 points, यानी दो सर्कल है, if we are taking one circle like this and if we are taking another circle like this, both having common chord, let us give it name as AB, and it having center as O, so let us give center of it as O dash. At 2 points, prove that their centers lie on the perpendicular bisector of common chord. Means if we having this common chord as AB, यानी अगर हम ये सर्कल को इरेज कर देंगे, so ये chord इस वाले सर्कल के लिए भी होगा, and if we are removing this circle, अगर मैं ये सर्कल को कट कर दे रही हूँ तो ये वाले सर्कल का भी यही chord होगा. Means both having common chord which having name as AB, and both having different center and it having name as O, and this one having O dash. But while we are joining it, they are intersecting each other at this point. Let us give it name as center point M, and they are making 90 degree over here. So this thing we have to prove that how they will make 90. So for that we are joining this. Let me join this OA, this OB, this OA dash, and this O dash B. And we have to work on that two triangle. So here let me begin my proof first. So if we are beginning the proof, what will happen? We have to compare two triangles. One triangle will be triangle OAO dash, and another triangle will be OBO dash. Means यहाँ पे हमें दो triangle को compare करना है, and we have to prove it similar. So here I am beginning the process. Here I will compare for this triangle. ये वाला OA इस वाले OB से सेम होगा. How? Because they both are radius of the same circle. So that's why we can write. Then both having common thing, that is OA dash, OO dash. So here OO dash both having common, so in bracket I will write it as common. And the third thing which both having common, that will be the radius of this circle. That is what? O dash A will be equals to O dash B, and they are radius of the circle 2. वो दूसरे वाले सर्कल की दोनों रेडियस है तो सेम होंगे. सो हियर वी कैन से ट्राइंगल ओ ए ओ डैश विल बी कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ट्राइंगल ओ बी ओ डैश by criteria side. That's why we can write this angle will be similar to this angle. Let us give it name as 1 and this as 2. So here we can write angle 1 will be angle 2, and according to what? According to CPCT this will be same. So here wherever it will be useful to us we will use it. Now we have to prove this angle as 90. यानी अब मैं ये वाले ट्राइंगल को कट कर रही हूँ. Here we will talk about this small triangle, that is OMA and OMB. हम इसके बारे में बात करेंगे, उसकी सिमिलरिटी प्रूव करेंगे. उसके CPCT में ये वाला एंगल लाएंगे. Let me give it name as angle 3 and 4. Then I will tell you that how we will make it 90. Because our to prove is what? Our to prove is what? Angle 3 and angle 4 should be 90 degree. Means we have to prove OO dash is perpendicular on AB. This thing we have to prove. So let me begin this process. So here we will talk about in triangle OMA, okay, and triangle OMB. Let us write the similarity. तो अगर हम इस triangle की बात कर रहे हैं, so हम क्या देख सकते हैं? यहाँ का OA और इस साइड का OB, they both are same according to what? Because they are radius of the circle. यही circle की ये radius है और ये भी radius है. Second thing we will write this angle 1 is equals to angle 2. How we can write? From 1. So in bracket we will write from 1 we have written this thing. And the third thing that I will take common, that is OM common. So OM is equals to OM in both of that triangle, that we are writing it as common. So that's why what we have proved two triangle congruent. कौन सा OMA को हमने congruent prove किया, triangle OMB से. Now they both are exactly same. ये वाला triangle और ये वाला triangle अब exactly same है. So according to which rule? So we have used side angle side. So here I will write, according to side angle side, if two triangle are same, so this 3 will be equals to 4. So this 3 will be equals to 4. We will make it highlight. Now here we will use another property. Here we will write that AB is a line. AB is a line. अगर AB line है, so उसके ऊपर बनने वाला ये angle, they will make 180 degree according to linear pair. So here I will write angle 3 plus angle 4 will make a 180 degree according to what? According to linear pair rule. So if they are making 90 over here, and if I are replacing 3 with 4 or 4 with 3, so it will become 2 times of 3, 2 times of angle 3. So if we are taking, means if we are taking 2 down, so it will make it 90. So here we have proved 3 is equals to 90. Angle 3 is equals to 90, so 3 is equals to 4, so that also will become 90. So here we can prove, and we already proven that this is 90, this is 90. It means this line OA is perpendicular on. So here we will write that O dash is perpendicular on AB. So this is the proof and very important question for us. I hope you understood.
So as here you can see, this is the theorem 10.6. इसमें बोला गया है equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. यानी अगर chords equal है 5 सेंटीमीटर के, अगर हम chord ले रहे हैं are equidistant from the center, तो center से उनका distance same रहेगा. Means what they are trying to say. So suppose if you are drawing circle, 2 circle, अगर मैंने ये एक circle draw किया, okay, let me draw some another circle over here. Okay, so as you can see in the on the screen that they both are actually equal. So if I am taking both having center, one having O and another having O dash, and if I am having chord over here, और ये chord दोनों का 2 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग है. So what the amazing thing we found that यहाँ से यहाँ तक का डिस्टेंस और यहाँ से यहाँ तक का डिस्टेंस दोनों का क्या आएगा? सेम. सो उसके बेसिस पे किस तरह के क्वेश्चन आएंगे, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू. सो इफ सम दे आर गिविंग दिस वन एज 5 सेंटीमीटर सपोज, and if they are giving this one as 4 centimeter, then we have to find the third side, and they will ask us that find the distance of the chord from the center of both the circle. इसका भी ढूंढ के दिखाओ और इसका भी. तब हम पाइथागोरस लॉ अप्लाई करेंगे, that we will apply that side as 5 and this one as 4. So 5 square will make 25, ठीक है, and 4 square will make 16, and that is the plus of this unknown side, right? So अगर हम यहाँ माइनस करेंगे, we are getting the value 9, and if we are taking root, we are getting 3. यानी सेंटर से इसका डिस्टेंस 3 सेंटीमीटर आएगा और इस तरह से इसका भी कितना ही आएगा? 3 सेंटीमीटर. So this kind of concept is going towards this statement that equal chords of the circle are equidistant from the center. So this is the end of this question. So as here you can see on the screen, so this was the question. ये अभी हमने आगे देखा था उस तरह का ही क्वेश्चन है. यहाँ पी क्यू उन्होंने कॉर्ड्स लिए हैं and they have taken distance from the center, that is OL and OM, and here we have to prove that OL is equals to MO. If we are proving this, we are proving that if these chords are equal, ये SR or PQ, they both are equal, so from the center that distance will be also same. So the converse of it, that is theorem 10.7, which you can see on the screen, that is the chords equidistant from the center आर इक्वल इन लेंथ, यानी अगर हमें गिवन में OL इज इक्वल्स टू MO दे दिया गया है, सो हम डायरेक्टली क्या लिख सकते हैं, हम लिख सकते हैं दैट कॉड PQ दैट विल बी इक्वल्स टू RS और SR. So this is the end of this question. I hope you understood.